Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about creating a SQL server via EC2 instance. If you want full control over the server, you need to use Amazon EC2 to launch Windows Server with SQL pre-installed. So it's like same like on premises, which we install SQL Server through VMware Workstation. But here in cloud, we are going with EC2. Click on EC2 always. Click on instances, launch instances. Here you need to give my server's name, and in application OS image we have Amazon Linux, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, SUSE Linux and Debian. So you choose Windows, and coming to Amazon machine image, so 2025 base and core base 22 and 19 and 16 are there, which is free tier. Here if you choose here, go with this base, some base thing, because if it is a free version, so you already while creating Amazon account you have given debit or credit card. So other than that, if you choose, it will be chargeable. So that's why I'm saying, so anything is fine, but I'm going with the SQL Server 2022 standard. And if you choose this, so only server will get installed. After that you need to go to what you can copy, either copy, or you need to log in, go to Chrome and download from SQL Server Microsoft website to download the SQL Server 2022 developer or anything. So in real world, so this will go with for production. So if it is critical, more critical server, we'll go with enterprise. If it is prod, we'll go with 2022 standard. If it is non-prod like dev, QA or test server, we'll go with any of this. So once this is done, so once we are done with this, then I will go with what to say. We'll ask Windows team to build. After that, we will copy SQL Server Developer Edition to that server and we will install. So developer is free of cost. So that's why. And going down, so T3 family will not accept for, with SQL Server it will not accept. So remaining it is fine, go with this itself. So for your case, I'll go with 2025 base. Like this, you need to choose base and free tier. And over here, create new pair, give name, create key pair. So it will download, as I already created here. So that's why I'm not creating here. Other than that, nothing. So here you go with 30 GB. Directly click launch instance. So it will wait for some time. So you need to wait like 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes to get it. So I already created with the SQL Server version option. So this is what it is, looks like. So now connect option, RDP client. So go to instance which you created, click on connect, click on RDP client, and you need to download remote desktop file. I already downloaded. This is the one. Click on connect. It will ask for password. So click on get password here, and which you downloaded na, that PIM file you need to give open, and it will ask for decrypt password. So the password is this one. Now go to RDP, give password here, click OK. Yes. This one SQL Server with the SQL Server it is installed. We'll see how it looks like. Now, in most of the IT projects or IT companies, they are moving to either Amazon AWS or with Azure with the pre-installed SQL Server. For production, pre-installed SQL Server. For non-production, only server will be created, and SQL Developer Edition we will be installing, which is free of cost, right? So let's wait for some more time. About to start, click on yes, it is. See here, 2022. It's by default. It is installed. C file large. Total memory 4 GB. Network speed up to 10 gigabit. Go to configuration manager as well. Check. Or while you're doing, please be make sure you should not touch. If it is okay to chargeable, then fine with it. If your account should not charge, go with free version itself. See a SQL Server default instance created. Everything will be created. See analysis service, integration service, full text launchpad agent. We need to wait for some more time to open this SSMS. We need to wait some more time. Still, it is loading only. So, trust the certificate, connect. So, that's all about this one. So, we have successfully created EC2. Same like VMware workstation. So, that is on prem. This is Azure. This is cloud based with AWS console. Thank you.